everybody, welcome back to Samizi Infotainment, another special edition of Talk Am As You See Am with your humble boy, Samizi, one of Africa and diaspora. You know the way they be now, the way we see and so we talk am. And today, if today is your first time to come across my channel, to come across my video, either for Facebook or for YouTube or for Instagram, my brother, my sister are there. If na Instagram, may you follow. If na Facebook, may you like the page. If na for YouTube, may you subscribe. Make they carry and they go small. Now know the way they be. Thank you to those who they share. Thank you to those who they like, who they drop comment for every message who they share. I say God bless you. Today edition, we get some kind of matter we want touch quick. And if you get any contribution to add to this matter, make you put on, because your idea is very important. Let's go straight to the reason why we are here. Aujourd'hui, on y va. As una don hear for Obodo, Nigeria, what they call our country, it don't burst out to another one, don't happen. Our EFCC chairman, where they call Ibrahim Magu. Ibrahim Magu, you are welcome. Yesterday, Monday, so the DSS dog Baban, that is Department of State Service. The dog Baban, waiting they say he do. I don't want add for this matter, and I don't want remove from this matter. Now make me go you read everything where they do for una so just watch, because the allegation where they hold against them, they tight. That make me say, okay, if I come here today, we go reason out together. Then you drop your opinion, me drop my opinion. More know waiting they happen for the for where EFCC chairman till they corrupt. You know, say it don't finish. Oh, my people, it don't finish. EFCC chairman. And now you put the other people, may they go they arrest people. Now you go order your boy saying they go investigate people. And you now you get cockroach beside your cupboard. Ha! Oh my God. He was arrested in Wuse 2 for Abuja yesterday. So which is on Monday afternoon. And now he's undergoing interrogations at the DSS headquarters in Aso Drive. Hey. The DSS in the 2016 report revealed that Magu was living in a 40 million mansion. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million. Wait, how many rooms you sleep for 40 million mansion? Person will use 1 million builders, and person will use 40 million builder. Don't be the same one bed they want sleep. But not the same. I'm not living 40 million. Okay, well they and the write am down because we'll do calculation later. So 40 million mansion. In December 2010, the Police Service Commission (PSC) found Magu guilty of action prejudicial to state security, withholding of EFCC files, sabotage, unauthorized removal of EFCC files and act, becoming of a police officer, and awarded him severe reprimand as punishment. You see, files where they're supposed to take treat some kind bad people for that country, or some kind looting, or some kind money. This man go remove him. He go remove and go back on. So only you want now, you thief fair. You dey live for 40 million mansion. God. Magu is currently occupying a residence rented for 40 million at 20 million per annum. The accommodation was not paid for from the commission finance, but by one Umar Mohammed, Air Commodore retired, a questionable businessman, has been subsequently been arrested by the Secret Service. They do this mago. They feel say people where they treat for the country, say they're not wise. They forget say wisdom. If all everybody come from, where would they come from? Why you? Oh my God! This country, una don't do so much killer. To the extent say, person go dey work even as civil servant, they not go receive salary. Person go dey work as cleaner, they not go receive salary. But una what the money una just dey pack am. Me don't know whether una the money una take dey live or una take dey sustain, or whether na the money na the shop na just dey swallow the money, or whether na the keep am for una children to come. We know, I don't know for this our country. So we all need formatting of memory card so that we all start afresh. Because now waiting I just see for this matter like that. I know I've already this matter pass the way they. But now I want me to face the normal law we hold on. As now don't hold on, so me another one, not see go we agbada, go talk to another commissioner for DSS, say me they leave this man. Because nothing we not fit do for this country. Because una the state be all our own now. Una go bring matter come according to my brother's matter. Now the matter now we go decide to we will be the masses for the country. Now the matter we go decide to now you give us the matter, then now remove now clear come up for the matter, then we now leave us for the matter. No they deliberate, no they talk. And no go fit use me talk for this one. una no go fit use me talk. If una, even if I talk now from now till next tomorrow, say make una do justice, make una do justice, still not still another one go, now one call, now another baba go your call Shemo for DSS, say Shemo, leave that guy, I don't know the way we'll take on this matter. They will just run out the way they talk and the matter, they will dare the matter. We now will just see the newspaper stand, we'll see the observe, we'll define information, and they'll see go feed press, make press see they give us matter what will they talk about. May they give us topic, may they give us subject, may what they talk about. Say now we they talk for the country. And still waiting with the talk, you know the entire year. I beg, you know shit come up for you. Come up for you. We'll go straight to the other my people, not before other people talk all this here yet. Yeah. Okay, at last, after 9 days on top water, the immigrants wey SOS don dey call Ocean Viking, don dey call Italy, dey call my Malta, say abeg make we disembark, abeg make we offload this immigrants. The response never dey. Since they spend 9 days for inside water now, and yesterday so late Monday, and they come agree say make they disembark for Italy, for Sicily to be precise, Sicily Porto. So for this one, first of all, I dey happy say at least they still allow them come Italy. They still allow them to step their foot into Italy. After now God now go bless this Ocean Vikings, all these SOS Nigerian people. Now God now go bless them, because if to say they not be human being like you and me where they watch this video, so at least maybe they'll for just okay, maybe they hand over them back to Libya Coast Guard, maybe they return them back to Libya. But they say no, they don't do that kind of thing. They keep them, even they threaten the Italian government, but they take too long. To answer these people, because life is at risk. Almost 180 people they inside that ship since 9 days. Some don't even threaten to commit suicide. And they say people when they inside this ship, so they contain different nationality. Even our brothers they inside too. So man show na people where they say those on board were originally from Bangladesh, Pakistan, Eritrea, Nigeria, as well as North African countries. So Nigerians they said that 180 people. They couldn't have go. Because what way they pursue us come up for us, not be some war. Una feel not they see everything for news. Me I not use pidgin English talk here. May therefore understand. You guys might not be seeing all these things in news. We are saying we are at war in Nigeria. You guys don't actually believe it. But because those on top, those we call our government, they cover up so many things. They don't even allow many things to come out from the news. They don't even allow press to even visit some kinds of things, so that you guys will think they are normal. They are not. So anyhow you see, anywhere you see Nigeria, just know that this guy is at war. Because now you guys might be seeing news from Syria, you'll be seeing gun, you'll be seeing bombing, but it's a journalist who is responsible for feeding you guys with those news. But journalists we have in Nigeria, they are not allowed to do that. If they do that, either they'll be killed, their family will be wiped out. That is why they don't do that. So we are at war in that country. You guys should show mercy, because we agree to be immigrants. We agree, we are immigrants, but you guys should show mercy. Okay? Thank you. Don't tell them. As I don't tell them, so una welcome my people. And for those wey still dey Libya river no good this time. Many wey don die this year. Now I no fit count. It's not too many. Even people wey they don't see. Some fit even dey now wey they know wey see bed no see. We don't come out. We no even hear of them now. Someday, I bet if una dey Libya, if you may una take very precautious measure, una dey listen to if una get people for this side. May all those one help una dey watch news, because if what they call am, if authority not dey for people, for all those ocean migrants to rescue people, they not fit come, and if una enter river that period, now una risk. So my people, may we clap for Ocean Vikings. Una do well. Thank you very much for saving our people, and thank you to Italian government as well. At least it's not easy for you to still accept this immigrant to touch the soil of Italy. We say thank you for that. We'll go straight to the other news. For France, our minister in charge of housing, they call Julien Denormandie, minister in charge of housing. It was a interview with Association La Croix, they call them. So with the interview, they discuss about housing for immigrants, for those who will not get house. So for that interview, he mentioned say those where they give house during this coronavirus pandemic and stuff like that. He say then will try their possible best. Say they don't get some kind million investment for the housing sector. Say they will try their possible means not to let people go back to street again. So as I read this news, now the man we talk about this, not be me talking. And the way I see him, that's why I tell you so. As he don't talk, say he go try as possible best, say to not let people go out on the street again. And say they will try to provide housing. And those who don't do housing, either they plan relocation for them, just to make sure say they don't lose house. Maybe the foyer where they did, they want close or something like that, but they'll try find another housing for them or another place for them to stay than to let them go they live for street again. As in I talk, now I say yeah. But coming from Paris, the street of Paris now, as we talk, as now they see all these people for the street of Paris, so housing matter and they protest for. Now they don't do street for how many days now? For inside this tent one I already see so now street now they do so. But I never feel answer them. But now your good news go they talk with you and how you do. Now that one now they pay me for inside. It's better you don't speak at all than you can't speak when they talk with him, you're not supposed to talk. And our minister here called Christopher Castaner. Immigrants don't they protest since how many months now? Now you just call it months since the end of the confinement. Since the end of the lockdown. Immigrants don't they protest, say make una regularize immigrants. Something like this, if they protest before, like the former minister of Interior did, if they protest before, he go call them and say, okay, more come discuss this matter. They will feed down, or if they get many number, they'll feed do, they go settle down. But this one, you not talk for the matter. You never even give a response. They don't they wait for the response now. They don't say for months now or for weeks. They don't they protest. You never even talk for the matter. They wait for it now. You never talk for this matter. So now wait till I say I can share with you now. And be that. Won't go straight to the other news. For France too, our new Lyon, precisely for Lyon City for France, the new mayor we don't win this election, so now they see. So for this crime, congratulations sir for this one you win. And I beg, may you good to everybody. May you good to everybody because when you enter, when you talk about kind, if I don't reach, I can't change some kind of matter. Sometimes so congratulations to Mr. Gregory Doucet. Like the man be this. Wait till you want to make me read this news. I don't want to give any information concerning there too. I want to read this news because of waiting my eyes see and waiting una supposed to know about European government sector of it. Although not be all of them, but waiting this one I do so this Mr. Gregory Doucet so waiting he do. It caught my attention. Now I say, okay, I will share this information with you now. And if I get any advice or contribution to add, you feel add them for comment section. People will see. For those of now, for this video, I want to show you so. For this video, when I watch so. For this video, when I watch, you're the watcher. Now the man, now they drive bicycle come so. The day when they want swear in, that bicycle, now they drive come. You see him. Even our local government chairman, that one too big. Our community chairman for Nigeria, they drive back. Because, I don't know how someone to talk. Like, imagine now, like our any governor or vice governor, you come to drive bicycle, go office. Not there for that country. Wait till this man do. Now I say, let's see where they don't win election. Where the salary supposed to be blow follow. Now they just let the warrior bicycle come. As it's still warrior, you know what I mean? They thief the bicycle. It's still chain up. The chain up. Because I ain't go see drive glass. But for us, once we don't enter power, wait, the next thing now to order motor from US, $40 million US, 30 million US dollar. Now so that order now go the order. Now go order for motor, order for spaghetti, order for water. We now take the flush in the toilet. We now go the shop money, we now go the embezzle money. Later we now come the beer bad for no see we now belly swell up. And at that belly, the way we take boss. And the day we go boss, anybody know they has to hear that when he boss. But we go not see that boss, not boss because he go open. We'll go straight to the other news, I bet.